Good. Hello and welcome to my loft. Now, my dear viewers, I do apologise for this video. I forgot to do the voiceover. Anyway, a quick look at the underneath of the pickups. The train on the left has 12 pickup wheels. This is what you get with a brand new modern loco. This Clan class, £144, second hand. This Britannia, 30 years old, not so powerful, but only £44. And this Clan MacDonald, brand new, lovely loco, £195. Let's see how they compare. Pulling 14 coaches with a DC controller, pulls away really lovely and smoothly. And a little fast on the acceleration. My brand new Clan class, pulling 14 coaches. These are quite heavy coaches. Pulling away nicely. A little bit of wheel slip. Hornby, 30-year-old Britannia. Pulls away very lovely and nicely. Britannia is pulling 8 or 9 coaches. At good speed. Not nearly as powerful as the Hornby. Looks a bit garish. I think it definitely needs weathering. This is my favourite view. Along the back wall, with the canopies in the distance. With the modern Clan classes, I have to turn the power to half speed. Just to look at these second-hand coaches, very garish. But the reason I bought them, they're only £12 each. And I think with a bit of weathering, they will look decent. Another £12 brake coach. And this one, £6.50, barely runs, waste of money. And these second-hand ones, about £15. Just a quick look at all my Mark 1 coaches. And you can see the cheaper ones really do not look as nice. You really do pay So you really do get what you pay for. I did used to have 15 coaches for the sleepers, but it was just a bit too long on my little railway. Anyway, I really appreciate if you can like this video. It really helps my viewing figures. And once again, I do apologise for my cock-up of yesterday's video. This shows how many brake coaches I have, and the reason is they were much cheaper. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you another day. Bye.